David M. Masters here again. Today we're going to get you started with your Google Analytics account and amazing stuff that we have in store for you. This is going to be the piece that you're going to need to really rocket launch your project into the future. So this very powerful tool, and it's free to use if you have a Google account. So we already know that Google's like watching every move you make on the internet, right? So if you have a website with your own domain, and you do, then Google will allow you to take a peek behind the scenes to see what they see when they're looking at your site, and you'll better understand what they track, and you can use that information for your own benefit. But first, you'll have to have a Google account. Now, if you don't already have a Gmail account, then you want to go to gmail.com and sign up for one there. And having a Gmail account is so advantageous, you don't even know. I mean, just by having a Gmail account, you have access to so many things you would never have access to, and we'll review some of those things later. So next, you want to go to google.com/analytics. That's ANALYTICS. Google.com/analytics to access their marketing platform and click on Start for Free. Here you'll be prompted to log in or create an account. So if you don't already have one, click on Create an Account to get this set up for you and your domain. Now, after you've created your analytics account, you receive a welcome message with the attractive blue button that beckons you to start measuring. So click that. Now enter your account name, and it can be whatever you want. Check the services that you want. Don't worry about this too much either, because you can always change your preferences later. So scroll down and click Next. And that takes you to the property setup. And here I'm going to put in the name of my site. Click Next. And that takes you a page where you can tell Google more about you and your business. So fill out the form and click Create. Then you get this handy dandy pop-up. Make sure you read everything. Scroll down and read everything else. And click the box that stating that you accept everything. Then just to be sure, click on the redundancy button that says I accept. Then you're taken to the email communication form. This is another one of those things where I just check everything, and then if I get annoyed by what they send me, I can always come back to my account settings and make adjustments later. So then click Save, which brings you to the Setup Assistant. And if you click on Reports, I'll be a son of a gun. Google Analytics says, "Yikes, can't find any data streams. Please set up a stream to start collecting data in this property." So click on that red button that says Go to Stream Setup. And this brings you to the next step, where you will click on the Web button. And then that takes you to set up your data stream. Now here on the left-hand side, there's a place for you to put the address. And it's real picky right here. So you have to put in the name of your .com. Now notice that the https:// is already there. So don't put that part in there. It's not going to take it. Just the name with no spaces followed by the .com. Okay, on the other side for the name of the stream, I put the name without the .com. And then click on Create Stream, and you get this. Your web stream details. Now we're getting somewhere. This is what we've been waiting for, your measurement ID number. Copy that and keep it in a safe place. Now you can go over to your WordPress website dashboard and go to Plugins and click on Add New. In the Add Plugins page, search for GA Google Analytics, and it will show up in the search results, something like this. Click on Install, and when that's done, click on Activate. Okay, Google Analytics is running, but it's not doing anything yet. So go back to your plugins page where all of your plugins are displayed. And you see where GA Google Analytics shows up there in your list of plugins? Okay, click on Settings. And this brings you to the GA Google Analytics page where you can scroll down to the settings. And this is where it all comes together. Copy and paste your Google Analytics measurement ID here. Remember the one I told you to put in a safe place? Well, that's the one. Put it here. Then scroll down and save changes.